Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain about what exactly are two-dimensional arrays in Java. So let's get started. So what are two-dimensional arrays in Java? Two-dimensional arrays, 2D arrays in short form. Okay, two-dimensional array means 2D arrays is equal to array of single dimensional arrays. Okay, where each and every element of this array is again a single dimensional array, then such kind of arrays in Java are called as 2D arrays or two-dimensional arrays. Generally, guys, if you take an array, let's say there is an array like this, and here this array is divided into multiple slots. Slot 1, this slot 1, this slot 2, and this slot 3. So I have divided this normal array into 3 slots. So in this particular, each and every slot, some elements of the array will be stored, right? If the element is a normal element like 9, 3, 4, then it is a single dimensional array. What if each and every slot or element of the array is again a single dimensional array? For example, here there is one single dimensional array. Okay, there is one single dimensional array here. Okay, having 4 slots again. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so in the main array that you are talking about, there are elements, right? We can store 3 elements. The first element is again an array, and now the second element the second element is also an array. The second element is also an array. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, second element is also an array. Now third element of this main array again is an array. This is also an array. This is also an array. For example, here we have 4 slots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this kind of array is called as two-dimensional array. So what are 2D arrays or two-dimensional arrays? Array of single dimensional arrays is called as array of each and every element of this main array is again a single dimensional array. Such kind of arrays are called as 2D arrays. If here instead of having each and every element of this array is instead of an array, if there is a normal number like 9, 2, 3, then it's not going to be a 2D array. Okay, if there are I can store 3 elements into this array where each and every element is a normal number like a normal number or some data like true false true or maybe 9 3 or 9 3 15. Such kind of case is going to be a single dimensional array. But what if the array the elements of the array are again the single dimensional arrays? In such kind of cases, this kind of array is called as a 2D array. 2D array is nothing but array of single dimensional arrays. So either you can represent like this or some people will represent in the form of rows and columns also, guys. Okay, for example, this is an array. Let's say this is an array, guys. Okay, this is an array. So I can into this particular array I can store 3 elements. Okay, into this particular array having the index. Okay, the first element of the array will be stored at the index 0. The second element, okay, vertically I am dividing the slots. Here horizontally I divided slots, right? So as part of rows and columns representation, I am dividing this particular array slots vertically. First slot index 0, second slot index 1, third slot index 2, right? So here the first element of this array, let's say the first element of this array having the index 0 is again an array having some slots like this. Okay, the first element of the array is again an array containing 4 slots. Then even the second element of the array having the index 1 is also an array. The second element of this main array is also an array. Now third element having the index 2 is also an array. Then this becomes a 2D array. Either I can represent the 2D arrays like this, or generally if you want it in rows and columns, we have to represent like this. Now here the main array has the first element of the main the first element of the main array is index 1, index 0, second element is index 1, third element is index 2. Now in the index 0, that is the first element of the array, is again an array, again a single dimensional array having 4 slots. So the first slot of this single dimensional array which is available at the index 0 of the main array will again have the indexes, right? First slot will have the index 0, second slot will have the index 1, third slot will have the index 2, fourth slot will have the index 3. Okay, here also 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3. Okay, so main array will have the index, and in that each and every element of that array is again a single dimensional array that also will have the indexes. So now it becomes a 2D array. If you are representing the data like this, if you are trying to store the data like 2D array type data, right, then that is going to be a 2D array. Into the 2D arrays we can store 2D type of data, like rows and columns type of data we can store into the 2D arrays if you want. So hope guys you understood theoretically what exactly are 2D arrays. If each and every element of the array is again a single dimensional array, then we can call the main array as a 2D array or two dimensional arrays. Okay, either you can represent the 2D arrays like this or like this, anything is fine. Okay, generally represented with rows and columns. These for understanding purpose, like 2D arrays are nothing but arrays of single dimensional array, where in the main array each and every element is again a single dimensional array. This for learning purpose. This for generally if you represent 2D arrays as rows and columns, so this is the actual purpose. Okay, so this is a main array having three elements: first element, second element, third element, where first element is again a single dimensional array, second element is again a single dimensional array, third element is also a single dimensional array. So hope guys you understood theoretically what exactly are 2D arrays or two dimensional arrays in Java. So in the next session we'll start the practicals, where I'll start explaining and showing you practically how to create a 2D array or two dimensional array in Java. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.